Hello everyone, welcome to SATV. I'm Sunhee. Today I'm going to show you guys two different ways to solve your OBS lagging problem or stop recording issue. And the problems always pose a hard time or will cause a hard time for new YouTube creators to make videos that they are using the OBS program to record, but due to the two problem that I'm gonna give you guys as a solution, and making that video was very difficult to coming out. It it take minutes, it take hours to stopping recording right here. So anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a two best solution that you can use to solve the problem, so you can now no longer have that problem. So the first solution for me is the setting, is from the setting editing. You can start observing your OBS program, your OBS right here, by looking at the CPU right here, how CPU working. If your CPU working is not 3-4%, 5% or 15%, instead it working like 90%, 70%, even close to 100%, that is not right. That your CPU is making working too hard, so it will cause the lagging problem, the stop recording issue. It will causing that problem. So in order to adjust that, let us first to the setting, go to the setting and change a little bit on the output side. Okay, the output side right here, you can change right here. You can change from quality or speed to balance. You can change, and you can test the three things whether it work or not. And for the profile, I just put man, and other thing is just like that. No, you don't need to change anything. Okay, and look at the recording. You can switch around this type from standard to custom. You can switch it around. Okay, make sure it works best for your usages. It works best for your laptop, whether your laptop is with higher CPU capacity or lower CPU capacity. You can adjust yourself through that. Okay, and go to audios. For the audios, you can put on stereo or you can put on mono. Except to you, you can change either way, but this one is important. If your CPU is the capacity is much lower, you can choose the lower one, for 44.1 megahertz, or you can switch around. Like I said, like I told you, you can switch around to test your laptop or desktop capacity. Okay, and another one is also important. This one is require strong CPU. Okay, so if you are now on 60 frames per second, you should change to 40, 30, even 30 frames per second to make sure that it's compatible with your CPU capacity. So after you change all that, and you click on applies and OKs, and that's it for the setting. So the first solution, and you start to record, test it. You test your OBS again on your laptop or on your desktop, and after testing, and you find out that the stopping recording issue still exists, it, it's not working. The first solution is nothing, it's not working. Then I have another solution for you guys, and that solution is to uninstall it from your laptop or your desktop. You should uninstall it, okay, and then you re-download it from the website, OBS website, and reinstall on your laptop. That is another solution that I'm giving to you. So if the first solution is not working, the second solution is absolutely working, okay. So just reinstall it, re-download it from the website, and you can enjoy your OBS function, your OBS normal functioning again, okay. So for new user, you can download, go to the OBS website. I put the link below, so you can click on that website and go to download the OBS program for your laptop, for your desktop, okay. That's all, guys. I hope you can learn from me. There are two techniques